Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video we shall be talking about sets. All right, so what are sets? A set is a collection of items or objects that are usually of the same kind. Now, a set is represented by the symbol. This is a symbol that we use to represent a set. It is called braces. They are called braces. So a set is represented with brace. So a brace is used to show the members of a set. For example, if I have a set A, and right here I have A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. Now A, B, C, D, E, F to Z are the members of set A. All right, so A, B, C, D, E, F are a set of the alphabets. So this is an example of a set. Now, when a set has no elements or members, or when a set is without elements or members, it is called an empty set. So this is a symbol of an empty set. It can be written in this form, or it can be written in this form. So when you see an empty brace with no element inside, it is called an empty set. Let's look at some bases of a set. Now we have some symbols used in a set. One is the braces. The braces is a symbol. Number two, we have this symbol, which is for an empty set. We have this symbol. This symbol is used when an element is a member of a set. Also, we have this symbol. This symbol is used when an element is not a member of a set. We have this symbol. This symbol is for intersection of a set. We have this symbol. This symbol is the union of a set. We also have this symbol right here. This symbol is when a set is a subset of a bigger set. All right. We also have this symbol. This symbol is used when a set is not a subset of a bigger set. Also, we have this symbol right here. All right, this symbol is used when one set is equivalent to another set, either because they have the same number of sets or equal number of sets. Why this symbol right here is used? This symbol is used when a set is not equivalent to another set. So these are the symbols we use when we are discussing sets. Now let's look at some questions. For example, we're asked to describe the following sets. The first one, in this set we have elements in the set. We have meters, we have grams, we have liters. So these elements in the set are describing a group of items. Now the elements in the set are describing the units of measurement. They are describing units of measurement. All right. Now, the next question we have May, June, July, September, December. Now, these are the elements in this set. Now, these elements in this set are describing the months of the year. Months of the year. So, they are describing the months of the year. Also, we have another set. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These are elements in this set, and they are describing even numbers. Even numbers. So these sets are describing even numbers. All right. We have one more set. We have North America, Europe, Africa, South America, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. Now, these elements of this set are describing the continents of the world. Continents of the world. So these are some ways that we can see questions in an exam. So these are how we can describe a set. So a set is a collection of items or objects that are usually of the same kind. As you can see, for example, May, June, July, September, December are all representing months of the year. Now, let's look at another way that we can see questions in exams. For example, we can be asked to name the members of a set. We can be asked to name the members of a set. For example, we are given a question, colors of the rainbow. Colors of the rainbow. What are the elements of the sets? Colors of the rainbow. So therefore, we can say that I can draw my braces first. Draw my braces. So I draw my braces. Then I can enter the colors of the rainbow. We have red, we have orange, we have yellow, we have green, we have blue, we have indigo, and we have violet. So these are the colors of the rainbow. So I can close my brace. So these are the colors of the rainbow. So we are saying that red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet make up the colors of the rainbow. So they are members of this set. Now we are given a next question to find the members of primary colors. So again, I will draw my braces. Now we have basically three primary colors. We have basically three primary colors, and they are red, blue, and yellow. So we have red, we have blue, and we have yellow. So these are the members of these sets. So red, blue, and yellow are the members of our primary colors. So these are the members of these sets. All right, now we are given a question again. It says, which of the following is an empty set? Now remember that an empty set is a set without elements or members. So a set that has no member is called an empty set. Now the first option here is even numbers between 1 and 10. Now even numbers between 1 and 10 as members. For example, even numbers between 1 and 10, we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8. Yes, these are the members of these sets. So that means that this is not an empty set. That is not an empty set. Option 2, cars that have 50 doors. Cars that have 50 doors. Now there is no car that has 50 doors, so there is no member of this set. So cars that have 50 doors would be an empty set. So this is correct. So this is an empty set because there is no car with 50 doors. All right. Option 3, a goat or goats with 3 legs. Goats with 3 legs. Now there is no goat that has 3 legs. So option 3 will give us an empty set because we have no goats with 3 sets. So option 1 is not an empty set because we have even numbers that falls between 1 and 10. So option 1 is not an empty set. Now here is a practice question for you. So these are some practice questions from the concept we just did in today's class. You are advised to try your best to work out this question, and you can take a picture of your solutions and you can submit to this email address, and I promise to respond and to guide you in doing these practice questions. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.